In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a button click to pop up just like this inside of Wix. This is incredibly easy. So here's how you do it in a minute or two. The first thing you need to do is go to your Wix editor and you need to first add a button. So decide what you want your button to be and what you want your pop-up to be. So then go to add elements in the top left hand corner, then click on button and choose your button. I'll just go ahead and drag on a very basic and simple button. We'll leave it here for the video, but you can move it wherever you want. So once you've got your button, you then need to add the pop-up. To do that, go to add elements, then go to interactive, and here you've got these light boxes here. So you can go ahead and choose any of these. You can also edit these as well. So you've got contact, promotion, subscribe, welcome. Let's just go with this promotional one. So you can go ahead and click on this. Now this will open up in lightbox mode, so this is going to be what your pop-up looks like. You can customize this. Maybe you want to get rid of this dead space, so you can do that. You would have to scroll down and bring this up, right? Maybe you want to choose a better pop-up, but I'm going to use this as an example. Now if you accidentally click out of the lightbox or you need to get back to it, you can go to pages and menus and click on lightboxes, and here you will see it. So here is the one that I think we're using. Now what you would want to do is you want to right click and then go to manage lightbox, go to the three dots next to it and then click on settings, and instead of it being on yes where it says automatically display the lightbox, change it to no, and it is then going to hide it once you go out of exit mode. You want it hidden and you want it to appear once they click on the button. So to get that setting down, you right click on the button, then go to link, then click on lightbox and then choose your lightbox. So that was the promotion, then click done, and now you're all sorted. You can now go ahead and save and publish this, and then when someone clicks on your button, it will open up the pop-up. That is how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.